one and all. Today I, Kangan from Plus 2 Arts, is going to tell you about G20 meeting. The G20 meeting is an international forum for governments and central bank governors. And it is important for India because it involves those countries for largest economy in whole over the world. And countries which involved in this meeting were Argentina, China, Brazil, Germany, Indonesia, Russia, India, European Union, Saudi Arabia and many more countries. And later on South Africa was also added in it. Today we are going to conduct a G20 Summit Quiz Competition. So my first question is from Red House. Stand up. How many countries are a part of African Union?
55 countries launched in 2002.
Okay. Second, where is the headquarters of the African Union?
Ethiopia.
Okay. Who is the host country of G20 Summit 2024?
Brazil.
Okay. What was the venue of G20 Summit?
One Earth, one family, one future.
Who is the India's current G20 Sherpa?
Amitabh Bachchan.
When was G20 established?
1999.
Where was the first summit of G20 held in 2008?
Washington DC.
Okay. From where is the logo of G20 2023 summit inspired?
India's national flag.
Which state is the host of the Think 20 meeting held under G20?
Madhya Pradesh.
Which city is the host of G20 Working Group on Environment and Climate Sustainability meeting? First Sustainable Financial Working Group meeting under India's G20 Presidency began at which place?
Guwahati.
First G20 Health Working Group meet to be held in which place?
Kerala.
Which city is the host of the Which city is the host of W20 Inception meeting under India's G20 Presidency?
Ahmedabad.
Which city is the host of meeting of the first education group of G20 countries?
Chennai.
The first cultural working group meeting will be held in which city? G20 Summit 2023 held in which country?
India.
Which has launched G20 themed QR codes to celebrate India's G20 chairmanship? And in earlier video, we have asked some questions related to G20 Summit and students have answered in a very well manner. So, the main objective of G20 Summit was climate change, global warming, deforestation, and many more factors which have discussed in G20 Summit. And main objective of G20 Summit was it give a chance to country to establish their largest economy to hold over the world. Thank you and have a tremendous day.